burning took a little bit longer. A couple of things. One, we're in August, which is perfect for seeding, but we get that morning dew, and we had a little rain, and the grass was just a little bit still green. But the timing of everything of this project is forced me to burn when we burn. So a little extra effort in taking the weed whipping and putting it on the pile, but as you can see, we've got it for the most part cleared out. We've started kind of rototilling some of the areas, but I just did want to mention, you're watching me with the blowtorch and burning the ground. What I'm doing is not fully sterilizing the soil, but there are a lot of the little weed seeds that are still on top of what fell here, and then you can't really see it, and I suppose I could get a picture down there close, but just trust me, a lot of seeds fell off of the plants themselves. So when I'm going over the soil, it's toasting those seeds and sterilizing them. So we should have a better prairie planting because there's going to be less competition from the weeds. About 10,000 square feet here, so it's not too bad, and I really want to get a good stand of prairie and wildflowers here, the pollinators. On a large scale, that would not really work, but when you're doing 10,000 square feet or less in a smaller scale, works out very easily. All right, so recap. We did a glyphosate spray of the weeds that were here after it got graded out. Hopefully that pulled out some of the weed seeds. There's always a seed bank there. We burned it, including cutting them down and piling them up and burning it. I will show, like right here, one of the other benefits of burning. This is some of the ash. That ash is wonderful nutrients to go right back into the soil here, part of the whole concept. And then we've killed off some of the weed seeds and burning it. And in our next video, we will show you how we broadcast the seed, get it in and get it started. And then 3 years from now, we'll show you pictures on how beautiful the prairie is. It takes a little time, but it's well worth it. All right, Glenn from Schweitzer's Nursery, Gardens of Castle Rock. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment on what you would do, and if you have any questions about what we're doing here, that'd be great down in the comment section below. Find us on all the other social media channels. Follow us, yay, ding, down there, subscribe to it, and then hit the little bell next to it, ding. I don't think it dings, but just the bell next to it so you get notification of the next video of something fun that we're doing out here at the Gardens and Schweitzer's Nursery. Until next time, enjoy, happy planting, and whatever you do. Have a good one.